All right, we got this amazing flame retardant wire loom tubing. So it comes in all sorts of different sizes, but great material, flame retardant. So it's gonna come in very handy for you. So basically what you're gonna do, however long you need this, you're gonna come to the length that you need. You're just gonna cut it. And then once it's cut, you wanna sort of like make that smooth. So what you're gonna do, I have a weird lighter, so I'm gonna do a mixture of a lighter and a candle, but you're gonna take a lighter and first I'm gonna light the candle, because that's our lighter. And now I'm gonna come in here and I'm sort of just gonna run it around the end of the tubing, just smoothing it out. And there we go. We're good. It's nice and smooth. We're ready to go. This is amazing. It's gonna come in very handy for you. Highly recommend it.